Chief Electoral Officer CEO of Manipur P.K. Singh negates news circulating on social media about expected midterm poll and 6-month president rules in Manipur as fake news. Special Judge NDNPS Fast Track Court Manipur sends 2 drug dealers convicted after 18 years to 16 years of rigorous imprisonment with 1,60,000 rupees fine. And Manipur celebrates Teachers' Day. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserts teaching is the highest form of profession. Teachers are instrumental in molding a society. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Electoral Officer CEO of Manipur P.K. Singh, who is also the Resident Commissioner of Manipur Bhavan, New Delhi, clarified that the news circulating on social media about expected midterm poll in Manipur by imposing 6-month president rules is fake news. In a telephonic conversation with Impact News, CEO P.K. Singh, who is currently in New Delhi, stated the same. He also appeals to those concerned not to spread false news, creating apprehension among the people. Special Judge NDNPS Fast Track Court Manipur as Tara today sentenced 6 years of rigorous imprisonment and 1,60,000 rupees fine to 2 convicts who were arrested for illegal possession of 500 grams of heroin number 4 inside the classroom of St. Peter's School, Thangwaiban Sanakaitel in 2001. The sentence is the most stringent punishment in the state so far. The court convicted 38-year-old Lianpu Simte, son of N. Kampu Simte from Tengnom village, and 27-year-old Baklian Paite, son of Jomkhothang Paite from Bungmol village, Churachandpur district on August 28, 2019, after it was kept on reserve after the final hearing of the trial case on July 25, 2019. The court found them guilty of offences punishable under sections 21 and 29 of NDNPS Act 1985. Counsel of the convicts urged the special judge to minimize the retribution, but Special Public Prosecutor Moirangthem Raichan urged the judge to award befitted punishment as per the act. After listening to both the sides, Special Judge S. Tara announced the sentence. It may be recalled that a team of BAPS arrested them on September 8, 2001 at around 10 a.m. acting on a tip-off that the convicts were trying to sell huge quantity of heroin number 4 powders inside the school campus. Manipur joined the nation in celebrating the Teachers' Day to commemorate the 131st birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the 2nd President of India, today. Education Department organized the state-level Teachers' Day celebrations at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that teaching profession is the highest form of profession, playing major role in shaping a well-disciplined, prosperous and peaceful society. He said that teachers are necessary in every profession to enhance proficiency. Biren maintained that parents and elders in the family are the first teachers for a child. The Chief Minister reiterated that government has given top priority to enhance education sector of the state. Mentioning about School Fagadhanshi mission, Biren asserted that government has taken various initiatives to provide education facility to every child in the state, including readmission of dropout students. Taking part in the event, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham said that teaching profession is the noblest profession and pivotal for nation building. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of the late President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, on the occasion. Government felicitated 8 selected teachers with a State Teachers Award in the event.
Society global change Sida education ni mangan yaw do basi mit tang ba sa manare mayam hena khange hanjan hanjan hairu gi kanade aduna koi education sector si khara hena koi budget yaman ba loka waja singi leiriba staff singi phibam phagana na bahona ba aduna koi government su araiba siga ga su araiba phandagi education sector sida de koi aninga encourage tawjana ba improve tawna ba kan honari masi waja singi amadi chhatra sing mayam gi apunba sajok ta gi ngambani aduga Manipur praja miyam gi sajok tagi ngambani
oja sing na akhui bu lamjing bi gani akhui sama se acho great nation ma taw boda oja sing thodang mayam lagi sa se ma da sembi rakani ai bagi acho ba apawa nation ma oi ge ta di mioi sing si ma ge leiba nagarik sing se apaba nagarik apaba hai badi kathok ngamba sacrifice to ngamba who are honest teamwork oina thabak to ngamba mariba nungsi ba ngamba adu ngamba citizen nagarik mayam do le adu kana same da ge hai kana oja sing sina same.
On Teachers' Day today, President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other leaders extended their greetings to the teaching community. In their messages, the President and the Prime Minister also paid tributes to former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, an exceptional teacher and mentor on his 131st birth anniversary. In his message, President Ramnath Kovind said that teachers infuse the young minds with strong values and inspire them to be curious, to seek knowledge and to dream, contributing immensely towards nation building. President Ramnath Kovind today gave away the National Teachers Award to 46 teachers, including primary teacher of Tekcham Girls Upper Primary School, Mutum Tombi Macha, on Teachers' Day at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. The award is given to meritorious teachers who, through their commitment, have not only improved the quality of school education but also enriched the lives of their students. Speaking on the occasion, President Kovind said the foundation of character building is laid in schools. He said, for students, teachers are like parents. President asked the teachers to understand their fundamental responsibilities. 5 students of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Manipur Technical University, have bagged the first place in North East Hackathon 2019. Assam Science and Technology University organized the event at Maniram Trade Center in Guwahati on September 3 and 4. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham gave a warm reception to the winner students at the University Hall in Takel today. Speaking at the event, Education Minister Radhesham expressed happiness that students of the university who topped in North East Hackathon 2019 have popularized Manipur Technical University. Stating that government has already procured land, Minister Radhesham assured that government will construct proper building of the university in the near future. He further assured that government will recruit regular teachers of the university at the earliest. Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education K.H. Raghumani IAS and Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University Professor L. Tombi attended the event.
Now, as we all know, people of Manipur, we are talented lot. People have so much of confidence, trust. Only thing is, people like us, we don't guide them properly, we don't mentor them properly, we don't provide proper facilities. Our institution, this university, was established in the year 2016. It is just going to be 4 years. Infancy stage, and we don't have proper our own buildings. After the regular BC has taken over and registrar has joined, acquired, we are in the process of construction of proper buildings. And I think we will do wonders. We can and we will.
Recipient of State Teacher Award 2019, Longjam Manglembi, a headmistress of Lema Pokpam Government Public High School, asserted that government schools teachers have major responsibilities in improving their respective schools. Lema Pokpam Government Public High School Development Committee organized a reception for her in the school campus today. Speaking at the event, Manglembi blamed teachers for the depreciating performance of government schools built with huge investments. She urged teachers to work with sacrificial spirit and enhance teacher-student relation. Manglembi expressed gratitude to her students, teachers and school development committee for all their contributions.
Zamang oitargadi khara thawai hakchang yauna school gi damakta yam sincerely oina chhatra gi khallaga chhatra singje karamba mohongda chhatra afaba puthokani na chhatra se karamna school sida mathang afaba chhatra laaga mathang si chhatra sukki matik chaba afaba satra se leirakpa yabagena haita taragadi oja haibasida mathau yamna tai.
Thangmaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan has condemned the state government for failing to apprise the center to hand over Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girls student death case to the CBI. He rebuked Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren for failing to keep his assurance given in the house of the recent State Assembly session attended by 60 state MLAs to approach the Prime Minister's office for handing over the case to the CBI. He claimed that the Chief Minister has failed to approach himself nor sent any officer in the rank of a Chief Secretary or the DGP for the same. Speaking to media at his residence in Koyathong today, MLA Joy Kishan asked why the government has not sent an officer of DGP level to the center for handing over the case to the CBI yet after its widespread announcement about the same on local dailies. He claimed that state government has failed to hand over the case to the CBI despite center's approval for a CBI probe into the case. Joy Kishan maintained that JSC against the suspicious death called the 48-hour statewide ban due to government's failure to meet its demand. He also asked how normalcy was restored at the school after police have arrested 5 people including school boarding warden and son of the school principal under IPC section 420. MLA Joy Kishan demanded government to clarify how the normalcy was restored in the controversy-shrouded school even after a statement released by the police that those students who failed to get admission in the school were kept illegally in the boarding.
Statement of police statement high baby snaggle mayam said Lloyd McCartney school garden Lloyd Lerabani Colabani high. Come out on the face school Jamurando Holino. Processing the Utsai Betabak to Osef. Central government as a North Piraba, Yaraba, Adre the Manipur government na Nasi Iran Huru mayam say Mikup the Namdalaba, Yaraba. DGP not a chief critical no Makataro Lubiarena, Peppergi, it is Taramagi Makade Ireba Pepper and Umna. Kana Harabs the Manipur Lenga, who Katorgi Tum Lady Brasinida. Aduna Matunda, any pattern Nasi Imai Bells in Horokpa, Satra Sati Horokpa, J. Sikal Kunjang Horopada, any Torpogi Masiki responsibility di Manipur Miam na Kangbiu, Akogi Malpali, but government Sina, Manipur se, Tangdu Laitana Henindaba, Manipur se Irang Toning ba, Shanti Lehenba Palm, the beginning have say, Ayana Hajeri.
Wife of Kumbong Mayum Prem Kumar, maternal uncle of the deceased girl student of Standard Robert High Secondary School Kanchipur, appeals to police to stop seeking her husband's statement about the death case. Speaking to media at Kwaketil Nganapithong Mapal today, Prem Kumar's wife Tina asserted that her husband had already given his statement to the police and there is no statement left. She appeals to stop harassing their family whose livelihood depends on the meager income earned by her mechanic husband. Members of Social Welfare Club, residents of Kwaketil Nganapithong Mapal and women associations of Thauda Bhabuk Laikai attended the press meet.
Sharmana Lapanumitagi, I Purobase, Masagi Wakan Nungaitabagi. Amasula Benina go, Masaze, Aina Zuyana Pakanazu Honari, Akudi Sura Talaga, no Magisara Talaga, Waxopsi Masuraga Ipuro Bana, Isa Anise, Aiga Tapangam Nava Honaza Banina, Akodi Yam, Laidana, Migi Barada, Hingagalaja Bamicha Amani, Azizida, Asuma Ranze, as a Kana Bagidamata, Semen Pibagi, Matunda Semen Pibagi, Akoi, right, Amtala Izadare, Makatana. Akoida Mishigi Matanga, Muhana, Sida Ayetpa Pibida Naba, Lakpida Naba, Haiduna, Aina, Muhana Media Tunda, I Haizeri.
Drought has affected around 300 acres of paddy fields at Kangabog Local, Uchekon Local, and Maharani Local under Hairok Part 2. Pradhan nominee of Hairok Part 2 Gram Panchayat T.H. Premjeet appeals to the relevant authorities to take away the plights facing the farmers of the areas.
Nungsi taadaba khotabagi maram moirakanda lausi panbasu yaure palaga kangna leiba yaure lekrak chatra khota tawba yaure adige mu palaga mu ising leitani tawba yawba ada akoi haroksi yam chawe akoi saruk ahum thok manungda ani di lau phajana pale aduga ama di akoi khangroki usiakongi maharani lokon sidaida isingji khitang phangma khara marang kaibu watpanina charona lau pari chama ki chang oi gadra mieng changbi mahanning bado.
Nambol police recovered a body near Utlo Kaubila Makong today. The body is kept at Rims morgue for identification. The deceased man is 5 feet 2 inches tall with a thin physique, has medium skin tone with elongated face and 2 tattoos on his right hand. The man was found wearing a black-colored jeans over a blue-colored jeans. He was also found wearing 2 t-shirts, a yellow and black striped one over a white t-shirt and a blue-colored slippers. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a 12-day residential camp for workshop cum production of Kabui Rongmei traditional folk songs and dance competition. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. 12-day residential camp for workshop cum production of Kabui Rongmei traditional folk songs and dance competition kicked off at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Manipur Center for Tribal Performing Arts organized the residential camp sponsored by North Eastern Council NEC. Traditional dance performance of Kabui Rongmei community enthralled the public on the first day of the camp. President of Manipur Center for Tribal Performing Arts, Paudongai Kamsan, stated that the workshop aimed to preserve and promote the traditional art form of Kabui Rongmei community.
Akoi ke dharma ga sagun naraga akoi pangthokpa dugumba ke akoi workshop ne akoi ke loss of culture is loss of identity haibo loss of religion is loss of identity culture haibo gumbani aduna masai sida akoi na tangai phadana sigumba pangtho haude tarati hojik samna hairabada Manipur da tribal singe manungda akoi kabui jati ase akoi indigenous religion satpa group ni adun TRC haise supreme court tingka rogong da khurmi tawbida bo akoi poli thaijam ni yangtang khurmi akoi ke baruni sing khurmi akoi lengthok sanam hi latle akoi ke indigenous religion do akoi such a group ni aduna masi indigenous religion group si manghan bidi yadaba si mang gitare de koi identity si mang bata bani indigenous people haibisi kana buno hairaga indigenous religion magi sannak pathap kanglon chaliba group sing sibu indigenous people ko yamarom da hairaga masi satraga di indigenous people ko busi qualify oiribra oidribra haibisi chu akoi khaneningai oiramni matam sai sida aduna masi mangdana ba culture siga dharma siga sagon naraga adumaina pangthok khoi gi workshop ni.
Pre-production ceremony for a drama titled Tumin Layu Wail Chathari was held at renowned late theatre director Sanaksha Ibotombi's residence in Kashampa Tokchom Laikai today. Manipuri theatre group Avant-Garde will showcase the drama translated from Marathi theatre play Santata Korchalu Ahe, directed by Vijoy Tendinakars. Ningombam Rajan is the director of the Manipuri version of the play, releasing on October 5 in memory of the late renowned theatre director Sanaksha Ibotombi, who directed the drama 30 years ago. Manipur Sanakodung and Culture, Performance Art and Research Forum presented Golden Artist Award 2019 to renowned national and international artists of the state today. 12 national award recipients, 2 junior national award recipients and 5 international award recipients received Golden Artist Award 2019 at the event graced by titular King Lashemba Sanajauba at Manipur Royal Palace. Post Office Imphal joined the nation in celebrating 1-year completion of India Post Payment Bank IPPB at its head office in Babupara today. Financial Inclusion Week also kicked off at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Senior Manager of IPPB Manipur, Y. Bisheshwar, expressed happiness that over 1 crore customers opened their account in 1 year, making the day's celebrations worthy. He maintained that 20,000 customers have opened their accounts in Manipur itself. Bisheshwar maintained that opening an account with a post office is hassle-free as it requires only one's Aadhaar card, unlike other banks which require many documents. He also stated that IPPB accounts comes with 0 balance, free transactions in home branches and 4% interest per annum for saving accounts. The senior manager stressed the need to raise awareness on the benefits of opening an account with India Post Payment Bank.
Pangnaba chatluba nataba bank si akoina yumda porokpa haitare aduga banki service mayam je yumgi thongjin jida haitare door step sida akoina service mayam je piba paisa withdrawal or su deposit or su adagi di any kind of transaction or ga ju even mobile recharge akoi ahan jingna thokpa ngamdaba DTH recharge tawge haraga ju madu yum makta da akoi postman ji la aga service piba ngamba masi atopa bank singna tawdaba akoi khogi India Post Payments bank sina hodopa service ne na thamjaki account the balance yaudra ga ju akoi minimal charges adugumba kaimta leite throughout the year paisa laiba matamda thamjan biu haba ado leitaba matamda ju akoi customer dagi charges amta laude.
Veterinary Department today distributed low technology input poultry bird to empower local bodies of Chandel district today. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Directorate Dr. Haubujam Chauba distributed rainbow roosters to selected 120 beneficiaries at Chandel Autonomous District Council Office, North AOC. Speaking on the occasion, Director Dr. H. Chauba stressed that rainbow roosters are easy to rear as it requires a low investment. He also assured that the department will distribute the roosters to beneficiaries in Senapati, Ukhrul and Tamenglong districts in the near future. The director also appeals to contact the department for any help if there is any difficulty in rearing the poultry. Vice Chairman of Chandel ADC S. Tompau Mate and Veterinary Joint Director Dr. K.H. Surchandra attended the event.
Singdadi lamsi amarang kaina sule akoi gi backyard se amarang kaina lekre yen singsi aigi yena kha enkul ke meam marak se koi thaduk piraga kacha pinjing masa lam satna bu su tawbira su yai no lamsi chauna leibani na masinjak si kharam kai supplement tawbiraga atei di ma thiraga su yam chaba mathanda khotlaga chaba su yam hainaba adugum breed ni na su yam nagandaba nadanaba sidanaba fajana loibiraga masidagi mathang sum praja singna koigi singda leibiri bai sini nausing farmer singna yen loibasi fajana tawbiraga hayeng masidagi mathang mu chauthoruk pasu yai karigumba khudong sadaba pharak taba na ek yauraga su khoida matam jana paw dum pibiu akoina matam gi oiba training su dum pijari.
Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee and Yai School Athletic Club will jointly organize one-day Mao Market sale at the vehicle parking near Yai School Hicham Yaicham Park tomorrow at 4:30 a.m. Speaking to media today, President of Mao Union Imphal Puni Losi stated that various fresh vegetables will be made available during the sale. He appealed to the public not to cause any hindrance for the vendors coming all the way from Mao and also lauded Yai School Athletic Club for providing catering services for them. Vice Chairman of Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee Luang Cha Chingkhei and Sectional Secretary of Yai School Athletic Club Santosh Maitram took part in the press meet.
Maudigi chala hogni adugo lambi lampanda nongai taba ajek apan tobidanaba mayamda appeal tawri police oiro kari oiro makhoi nongai na jaw hanbang oisno khoidigi haroban nongai badi Yai School Athletic Club khoina shinba lanba honna bibanatana amu chaba thapa phobaso shinge khotke hena tawse angakpa momda thagale haininga letaduna khoi samana himinaba nongsinaba habisi thaba oina samana panthorapa mathamathan tawthorapa se angakpa oina haroba nongaiba penjai hena mayamda phondo chari.
Margin Construction Private Limited released its township project brochure titled Sana Sangai at Hotel Classic today. The construction company led by Managing Director Kundrakpam Leshemba will build various residential buildings and villas at Nongpok, Sanjenbam. The township project aims to build a modern hospital, a school and a shopping mall and make the place eco-friendly by setting up a flower garden and keeping cable cars and electric buses for transportation. Eminent persons attending the event opined that if the project becomes successful, congestion due to overpopulation in Imphal city will be curbed to a great extent. District Magistrate Imphal East in a press release notified that holders of arms license issued by State Home Department to submit their unique identification number UIN to National Database of Arms License NDAL within September 7. Cyclist Philem Rohan launched the latest model of Maruti Suzuki company Nexa XL6 at Nexa showroom in Chingmerong today. The car comes in 6 colors. Speaking on the occasion, General Manager of Nexa showroom Singerzit Yumnam stated that the newly launched car with a smart hybrid engine will be suitable for roads in Manipur. He also said that the 3-row 6-seater car has enough rooms for large family. He said that loan facility is available for the car.
XL6 automatic variant is like automatic sida hogi ESP na electronic stability program haibam ne the hill hole assist sigi extra additional features su yawre ko aduga sigi na Zeta variant le rise 10,89,631 rupees ex showroom price aduga Alpha dana 11,46,131 ex showroom price Manipur gi hogi kitang chawba family high direction ne family level kangbu gi di XL6 yamna convenient oiba hogi 6 seater na phamma yamna comfortable oiba car amu ogini na khanjai.
Now the sports news. Manipur Rifle Association kicked off two-day 29th All Manipur Trap Shooting Competition in Imphal East at Langai village today. 8 shooters from across the state are taking part in the competition. President of Manipur Rifles Association M. Rachandra and Manager Director of Langai village Talem Arun took part in the inaugural event. Yai School Kendra Kangkhut has entered the final of 14th Laijing Ningthau Hanlon Kendra-wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. In the first semi-final match of the tournament organized by Laijing Ningthau Apunba Kangkhut Thangweiban played today at Laijing Ningthau Kangshang, Yai School Kendra Kangkhut defeated Konthaujam Kendra Kangkhut 17-14. Yai School Kendra Kangkhut scored 6 goals in the first half and 11 goals in the second half, while Konthaujam Kendra Kangkhut scored 6 goals in the first half and 8 goals in the second half. Khundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut will meet Singjamei Kendra Kangkhut in the second semi-final match tomorrow. 8 teams are taking part in the tournament, which started since May 11. Bodybuilders of Kanglei Bodybuilder Gym Tera Sapam Leirak held Teachers Day celebrations at the gym today. Gym honor come Chief Coach S. Joy Chandra, L. Manoj, C.H. Indira, L. Michael and other eminent members of the gym attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, 71-year-old Mr. India 2017 in Master category, C.H. Indira stated that bodybuilders of the gym have brought laurels for the state in various state, national, Asian and world championships. C.H. Indira stressed the need to acknowledge and encourage bodybuilders of the state.
I Mr. India Tare, Manipur Gay, Ambal Tare, Adagi, Siena, Mr. World Gabo, Shikantaga, Dineska, I Chachari, Adubu, World Givoina, I Poshal and Luxury. State government, China, Sanaro, Koibu, Karim, Matin Todi. The Shikata Koitamina Bamata, I told the Indiagi when the select of La Amamakai, La Adigu Makoi depository, La Amamakai Lani deposito Wahai was here. Canal like the light of Amakatang D, you to be Hogong Masa Amane. Otherwise, the Sanaru Pub, the Banina, Potoya Koichalam Daida, Manipur, your everything, Mr. Palsintara, Trakapi. Otherwise, Sintara, the day, a Koiki, Sa, and Yerum Labor Book Travel for the day. She and I did really. Otherwise, Taliba, Angang, Jelona Gold. Adu Manipur da ne akoi na Manipur da po ugi Manipur dia mukhi jai adu akoi bo halakpang matam da ne akoi bari sitan bok to de.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Electoral Officer CEO of Manipur PK Singh negates news circulating on social media about expected midterm poll and 6-month president rules in Manipur as fake news. Special Judge NDNPS Fast Track Court Manipur sends 2 drug dealers convicted after 18 years to 16 years of rigorous imprisonment with 1,60,000 rupees fine. And the Manipur celebrates Teachers Day. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren asserts teaching is the highest form of profession. Teachers are instrumental in molding a society.